Imagine having the power to automate your trading strategy with just a few clicks. Today, I'm going to show you how to leverage ChatGPT from MetaTrader 5 and transform your trading experience in 3 simple steps. First, let's talk about designing your trading strategy. This is the foundation of your success. You need to identify your goals, risk tolerance, and the market conditions you want to focus on. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term investments? Once you have a clear vision, you can outline the parameters of your strategy. This includes defining entry and exit points, setting stop-loss levels, and determining the indicators you want to use. A well-structured strategy is crucial because it serves as your roadmap in the often unpredictable world of trading. Now, on to the second step, harnessing AI to automate your strategy. This is where ChatGPT comes into play. With its advanced capabilities, you can integrate AI into your trading platform to analyze market data, identify trends, and execute trades based on your predefined strategy. Imagine having an assistant that works tirelessly, analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, and making decisions faster than any human could. By utilizing ChatGPT, you can automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on refining your strategy and making informed decisions. This not only saves you time, but also minimizes emotional trading, which can often lead to costly mistakes. Finally, we arrive at the third step, testing, refining, and scaling your automated strategy. Once you've set everything up, it's essential to backtest your strategy using historical data. This will give you insights into how your strategy would have performed in different market conditions. After testing, you can refine your approach based on the results. Maybe you need to tweak your indicators or adjust your risk parameters. The beauty of automation is that you can continuously optimize your strategy without the manual effort that traditional trading requires. Once you're confident in your automated system, it's time to scale. This means applying your strategy across multiple markets or increasing your investment size, all while keeping a close eye on performance. By automating your trading with AI, you not only enhance your efficiency, but also position yourself to seize opportunities that you might otherwise miss. If you're ready to dive deeper into this transformative approach, I invite you to join the ChatGPT Masterclass. In this course, you'll gain hands-on experience and learn how to fully harness the power of AI in your trading. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your trading game and achieve your financial goals. Let's get started on this exciting journey together. Unlock the power of AI to elevate your trading game. In our ChatGPT Masterclass, you'll learn how to create AI-powered trading bots, no coding required. Automate your strategies and watch your profits grow. Ready to transform your trading journey? Visit expertadvisorconsulting.com and take the first step toward financial freedom. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. It really helps us bring more valuable content to you.